Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP LaserJet, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about supply settings on this device. So let's open setup, and here we have system setup, and here we have supply settings, and here we have black cartridge, color cartridges, and this is the main settings of supply settings. For example, let's open black cartridge. Here we have a very low setting and low threshold. So very low settings determines what the printer does when toner is very low. So open it, and if you choose stop, so halt printing to avoid running out of toner in the middle of a print job. If you choose prompt, so warns the user and allows them to choose whether to continue printing, and continue, so keeps printing until the toner is completely depleted. What about low threshold? So low threshold sets the toner level percentage at which the printer starts warning you about low toner. So this helps ensure you have time to order the replace cartridges before they run out. What about store usage data? So it's just control whether the printer records usage data related to supplies. This can help in tracking toner usage and planning for future supply orders. Cartridge policy allows you to set policies regarding the use of third-party or remanufactured cartridges. For example, choose it. And as you can see here, we have off. So if you use off, you can use third-party cartridges or manufactured cartridges. But if you'll choose authorized HP, so only original new cartridges can be used on this printer. Okay, and cartridge protection. It ensures that the cartridges used in this printer can't be used in another printer, which can prevent cartridge theft and ensure supply integrity. For example, if you have this printer in public place, I suggest you to enable protect cartridges. So in this way, if someone stole your cartridges, so he can't use it in different printers, in other printers. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.